Corridor. Told my mom. Wait, here, what the fuck? Oh, it's just here.
Yeah. It's not from one. It goes to your fourth one.
Why are they like nasty? Wait, we can look here.
Say hi.
This is your first time on Earth?
Oh wait, do you have a tissue?
Wait, yeah. Wait, what?
What's that?
What? I don't know. Index equals X. Cipher equals.
Why do you have that in your pocket?
Oh, I don't know. What? Did you put this here?
Why would I put that in your pocket?
OLMO. What is that?
Oh wait, is there like a QR code thing on it?
Oh. Oh.
Scan it.
You scan it. You scan it. Scan it
Oh wait, okay, wait, I'll scan